Hey YouTube, how's it going? Buster here, Adventure Biker. So this is a re-edit of my Budapest trip. So this is me leaving the hotel at Folkestone, heading for the shuttle. Hope you enjoy the videos. Please like, subscribe and share. And remember, take life 1 mile at a time. Don't know, I feel as if with this new tyre, because it's straightened the wheel, it's when you bank out to the right, it kind of flicks, but I think it's because I'm used to having a wee bit of a wobble, but now it's no, I got one. So my thoughts of the Harbour Hotel. Busy. There's no aircon, so you have to sleep with the window open. People are out drinking till at 1, 2 o'clock in the morning. Boats are going, so my advice would be summer's murder. I didn't really sleep well at all. I did fall asleep. I woke back up maybe about 1:30. And then fell back asleep again and got up about 3:30, 3:45, and then I had a coffee and that, so yeah, not the greatest of sleeps. I don't sleep well if it's not my own bed anyway, so yeah, wasn't very nice. So I think, I was talking to my brother last night, so I think the plan is for the day is I'm going to go to Loos Memorial, see how I feel, maybe do a couple of B roads, do a bit of lunchtime maybe, and then just hit the motorway and go straight up to my brother's. I think that's maybe the... The train. Oh, you flick your light there, look. I'll stop, please don't tell me they're putting me on the fucking top. I'll look up there. Right here. Yeah, they put bikes on last, so. Yep. First gear, yep, no worries. Oh, this is a train. Right, I'll film it on the way out. See you soon. Well, YouTube, how's it going? This is me coming off the train, France. I am looking for the full Madonna with the big boobas. That's me just try to avoid that the big lock in the middle. The only thing I will say about this is on the skid plate. So if you're coming on here and it's been raining, be careful. Just be careful. Advise pulling your bike out. So the way you come in, you go to the far right, pull your bike out, back into that kind of wee bit and keep it on that side, because you're going to have to come down here. In fact, no, actually the door's on the other side actually. Try and stay off the middle. I don't know why I'm finding it hard to keep this straight. I don't know why I'm finding it hard to keep it straight, but I am. I'll wait until I get a good jump of that before I move over. And what I'm going to do is, because the door's on the right, once I pass this one I'll move it onto the left. Oh, that's us in France. I am looking for the fella Madonna with the big boobies. Renee! I've got an idea for somebody. And I think somebody who's got a lot of money needs to do this. Is build another train like the Eurotunnel and do it from Glasgow all the way down there. I think that'd be a cracking idea. Somebody's got a lot of money should do that. That means you can drive your car on, even Edinburgh, take from Edinburgh right down to London, down to Folkestone. It means you can drive your car to the nearest city to you on a motorcycle, drive it on, and then drive it straight back off at Folkestone, and then jump onto the train. Somebody should do that. Elon Musk. If Elon Musk does it, he needs to give me royalties. I think that'd be a brilliant idea. Because one of the things me and my mates were talking about was rather than riding the bikes all the way down to Folkestone to get the train, was to put them in a van, and then just put the van somewhere for storage while we're away, and then just maybe need 2 vans maybe for a couple of years gone. My thing's decided to be a bit of a cheeky bastard. It smells nice here. What's that in there? Oh, big fucking Spitfire thing. See, that's the stuff that you don't see if you just jump straight on the motorway. There's me and Big Jock Sunday morning at 7 o'clock in the morning, screaming through people's tunes. Keep forgetting it's 7 o'clock in the morning. What, a wee ball? No, it's pretty nice, that. But that is the only bit that's the downfall about coming to Europe. If you stay in Scotland, is that drive down. And that was yesterday. I was an hour and a half to Berwick, and then 7.5 hours to Berwick to Folkestone. Don't get me wrong, I got in at a decent time. It was 5:30, I got in at 5:30. And I met a guy, one of the couples that I met. He was a KOSB, really nice guy. And it was actually him that said to me, why don't you just transfer the now before it becomes a bit more complicated. So he got me transferred into the KOSB, and that's how I became a KOSB. So when they done the changing of the cap badge, which I didn't find out until later. The day they done the changing of the cap badge was the day that my great grandfather went into the KOSB. So going to Loos and putting this cap badge and stuff in this at least we forget cross with my mum. It's quite. There's a few emotional things about it. No emotional, but kind of sentimental. For a numerous of reasons. I says, one, I'm the first one in the family ever to go to the memorial. 2, it's my mother's grandfather. And 3, he's a KOSB. Once a borderer, always a borderer. Planet car. Might let me take my bike down now. Why is that black? Right, there's a Lidl here. There's a Lidl. Surely there must be a garage. A garage. Garage is an Aldi. The Aldis are different here. Never noticed that last time. That garage. No, that's one of the bike wash things. There's a Yamaha dealer. Bonjour. Oh, that's been in France. The bread. Smelling the bread. Baking. Lovely. So TikTok has gone. Buster here in Ayrshire Adventure Biker. So my first stop of day 2, now that I'm in France, I'm at Loos Memorial. I'm not going to take you down to the panel where my great grandfather is. I just took pictures and stuff from my mum, and I put a least we forget cross on there with the KOSB cap badge because it's a family thing, keep it kind of personal. But this is like it's actually
It's actually quite overwhelming with the amount of stones and the amount of... There's headstones in there, and there's also all the plaques right round the whole wall. It's a lot of men. So yeah, so that's first stop of France. Next one, I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know if I'm going to go straight up to Arnhem now, or I'm going to go for a wee bit of hill first. See how it goes. I'll post me a video soon.